log 4 to the base 7 into log 5 to the base 7 minus log 2 to the base 7 by log 25 to the base 7, log 8 to the base 7 minus log 4 to the base 7. Okay, what do we do here? We say, hey, log a to the base b minus log c to the base b is log of a by c to the base b. We use log p by log q, both to some other base, is nothing but log p to the base log q. We use these ideas and then say, okay, nice, interesting, let's crack this, let's get going with this. So here, the numerator, this part, I can say, hey, log 4 to the base 7 into log 5 by 2 to the base 7 by log 25 to the base 7 into log 8 by 4 2 to the base 7. I put x instead of 7. Very interesting. So log 4 to the base 7 by log 2 to the base 7, I can combine these two. Log 5 by 2 to the base 7 by log 25 to the base 7, I can combine those two. So I can say, if I can carve out group these two together and group those two together, then I can say, hey, interesting, this is log 4 to the base log 2 into log 5 by 2 to the base 25. Then I'm through. Log 4 to the base 2 is 2 into log 5 to the base 25 minus log 2 to the base 25. Log 5 to the base 25 is 2. Log 5 to the base 25 is half, 2 times half minus log 2 to the base 25. 1 minus log 4 to the base 25. 2 times log 2 to the base 25 is log 2 square to the base 25, or this is 1 minus log 2 to the base 5. This whole thing simplifies as 1 minus log 2 to the base 5. Hopefully that is there. That is not there. Okay. This is A. We want to find phi par A. Nice. So A is 1 minus log 2 to the base 5. This is nothing but log 5 by 2 to the base 5. I forgot that we're looking for A, or phi par A is 5 by 2. I simplified this without noticing that the question doesn't ask for A, it asks for phi par A. So A is log 5 by 2 to the base 5. So A phi par A is 5 by 2.